Hi, I'm Christian with Brewista, and today we've got the NutraMilk. The NutraMilk is a device that we designed to make butters, dairy alternative butters and milks from raw ingredients in under 15 minutes. When you first plug in the device, you'll need to turn on the power button. The power button is located here on the back. If you push that, it's going to light up. It's also going to light up the display on the front. To assemble the system, we're going to take our outer mixing basin, place that down onto the base, and give that a twist until it locks into place. Next, we're going to take our inner filter. This does have photo etched stainless steel filters, and then we're going to place that inside, give that a twist. It's going to drop into place as well. Next, we've got our cutting blade. This is sharp, so please be careful. I'm just going to drop that down onto the spindle and give that a twist till it drops into place as well. Next, we have our wiper blades. That just rests on this inner ridge up top. And then we've got our lid. Put that down, twist until the arrows line up, get that in place, and finally press the arm down. If any part of this is not properly aligned and assembled, the red light is going to flash indicating that there's an error. It won't allow you to run the machine anytime that happens. Just make sure everything is in place, that light will stay lit, and you're good to go. To make dairy alternative butters and milks, we're going to use as dry an ingredient as we possibly can. We also want to make sure that all of the equipment is dry as well. Extra moisture adds time to the process, so you want to make sure that you're not adding any moisture and trying to remove as much as you can. So we remove the lid, add our ingredients here, these dry nuts, clear those off the top, put the lid on, lock that into place, push the arm down. Next, I'll push the butter button. That's our first step. That's going to go to 16 minutes. I can adjust this by pushing up or down, but we're going to leave it at that 16 minutes. And I just push the start-stop button. Now we've reached the peanut butter consistency, so I'm going to open the arm here and take off the lid. Take a look down inside. We want to make sure that we stop it at this point, just because we're ready to add water. If we were just making butter, we could take it out at that point. If it goes any further than this, there is a possibility that oil will start to seep through the filters, and that'll clog things up. So we want to make sure that we stop it at this point. Now I'm going to add 2 liters of water to the 2 cups of nuts that we had in there. And 2 liters is the maximum capacity on this system. Put our lid back in place, lock it down, put the arm down there. What I'm going to do is push the mix button. It's going to give me 1 minute. I'm going to add an extra minute just to make sure we get it thoroughly mixed. Then again, I push the start-stop button. Now that we've got it thoroughly mixed, we are ready to dispense. I'm actually going to use a glass container here. Got these designed to fit directly underneath the spigot. I'm going to push the dispense button. Actually going to bump that up to the 2nd minute as well. I'm going to push the start stop, and I'm going to open the spigot. And there you have it, delicious dairy alternative milk. I've been Christian with Brewista. Thank you so much for watching. Check us out on our website at www.mybrewista.com. You can also see more of this at thenutramilk.com, and check us out on all of our social channels. Thank you so much for watching.